Urgently required for Hazzah, Café and government office sites in Saudi Arabia. Are you an experienced coffee maker or barista looking for a great overseas opportunity? Position available as coffee maker. Salary 1,500 Saudi Riyal, including food. Transportation is provided. Duty 9 hours per day, with 1 day off each week. Candidates should be under 30 years old and have good communication skills. Knowledge of different coffee recipes and a passion for quality and hygiene are essential. Apply now by calling 9953597970 or 96979093. Miss this opportunity with quick global solution of की जरूरत